Hello and welcome to the Sketchlist 3D video guide. Sketchlist helps you brainstorm, plan, and execute your creative projects. This video continues to use the basic box to explore other tools in Sketchlist 3D. Let's start by making a copy of the box. There are 3 copy functions in Sketchlist: clone, which is essentially cut and paste, clone and space, which is a copy and paste in different locations, and clone and mirror, which copies the box and flips it 180 degrees. We'll perform a few different actions with it. First, we'll change its size. Right-click on red dot and add a new top. The top represents the distance between the floor of the project and the blue surface. In the assembly, you'll notice a few things. Right-click on this board to adjust its width. Now, I can clone and mirror it to create the other style. Adjust the bottom board so that its top is 4 inches from the floor. Enter a new value for the top and click the bottom accordingly. Next, we'll create a new board for the real bottom using solid lumber. Enter the required dimensions, and this will be 1.5 inches from the bottom, just for now. Set the depth to 3/4, which is the thickness. Clicking there, you'll see the values 23¼ 1, 2, 3.25. Set the top value to 4. Now, we can take this clone and, using the spreadsheet, notice that the side uses the top or 60. So, this is 60 moving up. Clone this as well, and the top here is 60. At this point, we'll move the board, effectively shrinking its width. Using the colon space, we'll make clones 20 inches apart. Here's our next version of the box. In fact, using the clone and space and put it in a new assembly. The spreadsheet is a good tool for this. Essentially, you want this assembly to fit between the other two. Let's call this left, right, and center. The easiest one to make the same will be the top. So, that'll be 60. The left edge of this would be equal to the right edge of that. I'm just going to come here, changing the width. Similarly, this would be 95¼ and we may set it back, moving it to the back of the design. Alternatively, you could have taken one of these designs, cloned it, and moved it 29 inches to the right. Then the left value of this would be 95¼ For this type of size change, you want to do it by right-clicking the red dot, and we'll explain the significance of that a bit. From the box, we have an entirely new design, which is part of the point of working with Sketchlist. It provides the tools to take an existing design building block and turn it into a new project. Win more bids, spot the mistakes early, and pull advanced reports with Sketchlist, a complete 3D design software for all your wood project needs.